Yo. I am so tired. Ek is so moe. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm all in one. Anyways, let me bring the energy. I'm tired. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another vlog. I'm back with another video. Oh, and as you guys can see, I managed to get a mic just so you guys can hear me loud and clear. Okay, and with that said, we'll be spending the evening together. I will be doing like a evening. I just got back home. I had a really busy day. I'm hungry, whatnot. So yeah, we'll be spending the evening together. This fly is so annoying. Yeah. So and we will be rearranging my kitchen. You guys are probably wondering like what? Yeah. No. Okay. Not rearranging my kitchen, but just moving the fridge. So basically we'll be unboxing and installing the washing machine. So I got a washing machine, yeah, finally, after years of washing with my hands. Yeah, so I neman. Yeah, so by installing the washing machine, can you guys see where the fridge is? That spot or that place is initially meant for the washing machine because it has like the outlets and stuff for the pipes and all the so, and the fridge is meant to be somewhere here where the microwave is, somewhere there. So I don't know, I always loved it. Like I always loved the fact that the fridge is where it is now, and I was like, why can't, and I can't even put the washing machine in the bathroom, like waar shall it pass? So you guys can just let me know once I'm done. I was just wondering how will it look if I move the fridge over here and put the washing machine. The kitchen will look so weird. But yeah, you guys can just let me know in the comment section. Do you guys like the current look, or will you like the new look after I move the fridge to the side and whatnot? So yeah, with that said guys, I don't even know how to install this machine, but I guess we'll do it together. You guys will be with me, and yeah, I guess obviously there's a manual. So yeah, and I feel like that thing is so heavy, and I have been postponing the whole installation thing. I was supposed to do it already, but I just put it in Prince's room, and but then now my clearer has failed. My clothes are just piling up. I need to do laundry, so I am basically forced to install the machine. So yeah, with that said guys, let's spend the evening together, and I think like now I'll just probably, I have to eat. I'm so hungry. I have to eat. I have to drink Repoost. Thank goodness I got it. And probably take a shower and change into something comfortable, and then once I'm done with that, probably watch TV a little bit, and then once I regain energy, I don't know if you guys can see it in my eyes, but I'm so tired. Once I regain energy, then we can start with the whole installation and rearranging what whole installation thing. So yeah, anyway guys, this is what I got for dinner. I got a rice bowl. I am so obsessed with the rice bowl. This is literally all that when I go to KFC, this is like my first option. If they don't have it, then I opt for other things. But I love it so much. It is so full of flavor. It is spicy. And then I chose the one that comes with the dunk sauce. You guys should probably try it out. Yeah. And then I have the zinger wings over here and a spoon. I've been eating like this past few days. I haven't been cooking really. I eat my KFC by here. Like when I'm hungry, that's the first thing that I think of. Like there's another plek maar ek dink net aan KFC. Come to think about it, I still have KFC from yesterday. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Van gister af. Oh my gosh. some leftovers here. Yo, I need to do better. Man, who decided this is just like $40. How much? $45 for the rice bowl. I can't buy one day. So yeah, no spice, nothing. And then I had to stop by Food Lovers just to get cool drink and repost most now. Because like I said, I need energy. But I saw that they had broccoli on sale. It was like $24. Waar kry jy broccoli vir R24? I had to take it. It must not have it. And I also needed some cheese. And this was also on sale too for like $30 or something. Yeah. So I need this. I normally buy them in bulk and then I freeze it for my smoothies. So I actually want to start making use of my blender so I can make milkshakes and like pipochuta. So with that said, guys, let me just quickly get out of those clothes. I don't know if I should first eat and go take a shower or first go take a shower and come eat. Normally, I think the best way is to go take a shower, get comfy and eat. But I'm so hungry, like I'm starving. I don't think who's gonna wash me in that shower if I don't even have the energy to lift this up. These are me vas. But anyway, guys, yeah. Who's calling me though? You know, I hate it when I'm vlogging and people are calling me like wie bel for mine. I'll call you back. Okay, guys. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay. I just needed to put this on because my lace doesn't look good. Anyway, yeah. So just a quick little update. It's been like an hour or so. Anyway, like I said, I was getting calls while I was busy recording, and when I was done eating, I had to sit down, go through my messages and calls, etc. And I got something. Someone brought me something. Oh, my bananas are going bad. I should probably freeze them. Just chop them up. Anyway,
Wow!
yeah. Okay, I can explain. I got this from my ex. Why? I don't know. Or do I? Then he got me 10 roses and this chocolate. Cadbury is like my ultimate favorite chocolate, but I don't know why he always gets me the nuts. Did I say always? I don't know why he gets me this one, but I like the plain one. Anyway, that's not. Yeah. Why am I accepting this? You may wonder. First of all, we are not on bad terms. Secondly, I'm not someone to just send someone away like whatever. Okay, I might have limits, so to say. Next time, I might say no, you don't have to. It's not necessary. But during that time, I mean, they are cute, and I might use them in my house. Yeah. So anyway, am I single? That's the question. Am I in a relationship? Am I single? Um, now that I ate and I drank my reboost, I have lots of energy to. Yeah, I have lots of energy to talk. So should we talk about it? Okay, come on, sunset. Speak word that. But anyway, I think I should probably put them in water. Where's my flower vase? Yeah. Does wanna look? Yeah, cute. Yeah, I should probably put this in water, and then we can sit down and have a talk. Guys, I did not even start. What time is it? I did not even start with my whole installation yet. I'm even thinking, like, should I do this today? Let me just do it. Yeah, let's.
Say what you wanna say
I don't
to
want to
me
sit
now.
down and talk right
I
now. I
wanna
just want to
wake up
get this
with
out of the
you
way.
in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. But you and
When I do this type of shopping, I go to the shop with a measuring tape. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, ne? I should probably just move it back a little bit, but yeah, it fits like a glove. Do I open? Okay, so I can't seem to open, so basically I have to open up there so I can insert this pipe in there. One thing I love about this machine is it has, what do you call it, the way it closes, it has that soft close. Like I can literally just open it and then just leave it, and then it just does that. Perfect. this is what the kitchen looks like. I don't like it. Yeah, I feel like the corner over there, it just looks so empty. I just love the fact that the fridge was over there. But yeah, maybe I'll find a way to put the washing machine here where the fridge is, and then maybe there can be some sort of a connection to the bathroom. I don't know, maybe pipe extensions or whatnot. But yeah, you guys don't be surprised if you see in the next vlog that the kitchen looks different. Yeah, and even the spot stand right here, it just looks a mess. Like, I don't like it. It's either I have to get rid of it and then pack the pots in the cupboards, just so the space can be minimal, you know. I just don't want to overcrowd the space. Yeah, just so it can be minimal. And the dustbin, obviously the broom stays outside. The dustbin, I have to start putting it outside as well. I don't like it. Literally this whole corridor kitchen space, I don't want anything over here. That whole black pots in that dustbin, that whole space should be empty. Like, dan moet niks daar wees nie. And yeah, I also don't like this pegs holder. The color's not cute, but yeah, here's my baby. I love the fact that it's so big. I can literally wash blankets in it. And yeah, thank God. Let me show you guys. So yeah, oh, I also changed this ones. I used to have the silver ones over here. Now I have the black ones, which matches the washing machine. So yeah, I wish they had a cupboard up there because it just looks so empty. And this is now the current setup of the kitchen. So yeah, this black plastic, I'll throw it out in the morning. With that said, guys, let's call it a night. Hearing. This is basically just an update on the flowers, the roses I got, and basically my love life. So a few videos back, I think last year, beginning of last year, I posted about cooking for my man, and there's another one, the get to know me tech. Yeah, I also mentioned that I'm in a relationship. So that was like probably 2 years ago, literally the whole of last year and then the whole of this year. Yeah, that was 2 years ago. So basically, the life update is that I am single. Anyway, what is the reason? I remember a friend of mine. I had a conversation with a friend of mine that was in a similar situation, and we literally emphasized on the fact that that us bias car, yeah, but most of the relationships don't end on the fact that he was a bad guy or she was a bad girl or whatever. Yeah, especially in my situation, hence why we are still on good terms or why and whatnot. Anyway, so what happened was, how should I put it? Okay, this is someone that I will always appreciate. Yeah, he has been there for me throughout the most difficult times of my life, and he has reassured me that he's not going anywhere and whatnot. But then the thing is, from last year, I have been in a very I was surrounded by so much negativity in my life, and it started affecting the people around me as well. Not only him, but my family as well, in a sense that I wasn't pouring out positivity. How should I put it? I was surrounded by so much negativity, and I cannot pour from an empty cup, yeah, to a point where I wasn't treating him right either, and it just didn't sit right with me. I didn't like it, and I remember I spoke to him about it, and I was like, no, I just need some space. And I know people don't believe in that whole space situation, but if you're at a point whereby you, I was just pouring out negativity, right? So to stop that, I just needed my time. And what happened was ek het so gemakkelijk geraakt nee, with the whole being on my own, and ek was altyd alleen, so I got so used to being alone, and something started as a joke, but it gets real. And then yeah, and then as time went by, I literally had to have honest conversation with myself. I did a self introspection, and I asked myself, okay, listen, um, if you want to get back into the dating game and you want to commit to this person, will you not regret over the years? Because I have already planted a seed in the back of my head, and that seed during that season in my life, that seed that I planted over the years, it started growing. So what I mean by this is I had a for the longest of time I had a desire, or I had a specific thing that I always wanted to be involved in. And for the people that have known me over the years, or the ones that know me well, they know what I'm talking about. I'm trying to speak in a way that but eventually at some point I will get back to you guys and I will explain what I meant, and then it will all make sense. But yeah, that idea kind of grew on me during that season in my life, and I was like, hey, listen, why not? Like, hoekom maak jy nie gebruik van hierdie opportunity? Like, why don't I make use of this opportunity to actually go for what I want to actually go? And it's so exciting just thinking about it, because this is something that I've wanted for the longest of time. And I had an honest conversation with him, and I spoke to him about it, and I told him, listen, this is what I want, and and then yeah, it is what it is. Does he still want to be with me? Obviously he does. And yeah, and do I want to from my side? Yeah, a part of me wants to, but then a part of me is like, ek wil vir myself terughou nie. Okay, this doesn't sound right, but I'm excited. Yeah, and you know what? So I'm excited for the seed that is growing in my mind. Yeah. So how the universe works is the moment I told myself that this is what I want and I actually want to go for it, then the universe literally started aligning, like how should I say, it started throwing that in my direction, and I started moving in that direction. I was like, okay, I see what you're doing. I see. And I don't even want to say it's the universe. I just know it's yeah, it's the Yara Sadundanga. And I was just like, okay, it started leading me in that direction of the seed that I'm planting. I'm speaking within the lines right now, Maria. And I was like, okay, I see it, Marie. No, you just hold on, maybe next year. Yeah. So the whole idea kind of grew on me, and I'm excited actually. Yeah. And the another thing, mind you, I've been in relationships for literally for the longest of time since high school. I was in a relationship with my child's father for how long was it? Seker 7 years, probably 7 years. And then after the relationship ended, it ended when my child was like 5 years old. Yeah. When that relationship ended, I got into another serious relationship which also lasted me close to 5 years. So I have been in this whole I need a breather. So this is why I'm so content with the stage in my life. Hence why I am openly speaking to you guys about it. Mind you, when this type of things happen, people don't talk about this type of things on YouTube. That is nice, gosh. You just see the pictures are deleted or whatever. And then wonder, okay, you guys were vlogging, what happened? Yeah. So the fact that I'm actually talking about this, it just shows that I am, because I'm real, and who would say I love the season that I'm Okay, so I see that I just got cut off there. Yeah. So basically what I was saying is that I am very much content with the whole idea, and yeah, but do know that if you guys see me ending up with my ex, please don't be surprised, because I'm actually, to be honest, I'm in a dilemma, and I'm excited about the whole idea that I've planted in my head. But then on the other hand, yeah. So don't be surprised. It just means that I did not have the energy, or I don't want to water the plan that I've planted in my head, and that I have decided to be with him, because mind you, he is a great guy and I wouldn't mind. But then again, it's just me. I'm in a different season in my life, and my mind is taking me places. With that said, lights out.
3 days later.
Alrighty. So this is a few days later, and I just wanted to show you guys the kitchen kind of grew on me. I'm starting to fall in love with the whole new setup, and I just wanted to show you guys. I removed the pot stand, and I took the dustbin outside as well, just there by the kitchen door. And yeah, I'm starting to love the new look. It looks much more neater and in place. And yeah, this is where I put the pots. All the pots, they fit in there. Thank goodness that is a huge drawer, so all the pots are in there. So yeah, it's better off there rather than, yeah. So I like the fact that the space, there's no space in that corridor. And I also moved the washing machine a bit backwards, so now the door opens without touching the front part of the machine. It opens smoothly, and yeah, it closes very smoothly. As you can see, there's that 1 inch, yeah, space between that. So yeah, it looks good, and I am now excited. Yeah. So with that said, guys, as for the pot stand, I don't know what to do with it. I literally just, let me just show you guys in a few seconds. Yeah, here we go. I placed it in the bathroom, in the shower. I don't know why, but yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Probably put some plants. It's not even supposed to be in there, but the shower is so huge, so I just decided to put there. So you guys, please do comment down below what you guys want me to do with this pot stand. I can probably give it to someone else that is in need. I don't know, I'll probably send it to my mom's. Or do you guys have a better idea as to what I can do with it? Please do let me know. With that said, thanks for watching. Bye bye.